In this video, I will show you how to download Netflix on laptop. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to go ahead and download Netflix on your laptop, the first thing you're going to want to do is come to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In the search box, go ahead and type store and then open up the Microsoft Store underneath Best Match. Once you've got the Microsoft Store opened, what you want to do is come up to the search box at the top. In the search box, just go ahead and type Netflix, and then what you can do is search for Netflix on the store. So as you can see, Netflix is going to be the first result that comes up. What you want to do is give that a click to be taken to the Netflix app page, and you're going to see a blue button. Now mine says open because I've already installed it, but for yourself it's going to say get or install. So what you want to do is click the blue get or install button, wait for it to finish, and then you can click to open up Netflix. At this point, all you need to do is go ahead and click sign in at the top if you've already got a Netflix account. Then what you can do is sign in with your details and begin to watch Netflix on your laptop. So that is how to download Netflix on laptop. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.